Hi guys, it's Karl here. Some of you might know me as Premier the Creator. I am one of the co-founders of Helheims Ulfhedna, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing video. I've been waiting for this from a company I have heard a lot of good things about, which is Hobo Head. Right, so as some of you might know, he bought out the mega bundle. So I actually haven't opened this yet, so you're going to be with me when I open it. So let's get into it. Sorry about the shaky video. Yeah. Right. Ooh. Gotta love that. Nice thank you note from Brian. I love that. Right, so first up we have one of his t-shirts. Now let's get into this and have a look. That's sick. Right. Love that. Right. We have the beanie. See me wearing that a lot now, since it's getting colder. Oh yes. Nice. Right. And we have another t-shirt. Yo. That looks wicked. Bring out your inner hobo. Sick. Right, now for some products. First off, we have the balms, which are Desolate, which I have a note here. The scent is lavender, lemon and eucalyptus. Let's have a smell. Oh, that's beautiful. Second up, we have citrus isolation. This is sweet orange, coconut and tea tree lemon. Quite the combo. Yes. Right, I'm going to have to do these one by one. First up we have, now forgive me if I pronounce it wrong, but Para, which is lemon, vanilla and eucalyptus. Oh, that vanilla comes through. Now a lot of you that know me know I love vanilla. Next up we have, I was dreading this one, Apparent Stranger, I think it's pronounced. Now this one is meant to be patchouli, lime, juniper berries and peppermint. Oh, that's beautiful. These nice lined up. Next we have Exile. I love how he's done the wording on it. Now this one is patchouli, lavender, peppermint and tea tree lemon. Now straight away when I smell this, I get the lavender straight off the bat. Next up we have Woodman's Sorrow. This one is cedarwood, bergamot and peppermint. Oh. Tell you what, I'm going to have some fun with these. Right, next is Lawn. Now Lawn is supposed to be sweet orange and coconut. Ooh. Sounds quite bad. As soon as I smelled that, I smelled Terry's chocolate orange. Right. Next is Black Heart, which is cedarwood, cypress, vetiver, however you say that, and lime. That's beautiful. Next, Nadia, I think it's pronounced. And this is sandalwood, frankincense, lemon and lime. Oh, lemon and lime. Beautiful. And last but not least, we have Redemption. And this is meant to be cedarwood, sweet orange and lemon. I can see a citrus theme going on here. Ooh, cedarwood straight away. Right, so that's the 8 oils. What else have we got in here? Got this. Oh, Brian. I think I've been spoilt for stickers. Trying to get a hold of them all. Oh. Right, I'll put that down there. Right, so we have 2 badges. And he's gone crazy on the stickers, but I know what I'm going to do with these. And plenty of these. Kind of helps when I get it the right way up, but yeah. Now I've been talking to Brian about this, and I told him I was looking forward to this bundle because I wanted to buy everything that he had, and safely say he's outdone himself. Now on his website he's got this entire bundle going for £140, which when you think of what you're actually getting, that is amazing value for money. Not only is it great value, but honestly, amazing products, and they smell incredible. So yeah, highly recommend these. So get over to Hobo Head, buy it. I urge you, buy this. It is amazing. Now, the lads at Helheims Ulfhedna, we truly stand behind Brian and everything he's doing. He's an amazing guy. He's incredible to talk to, and honestly, looking forward to meeting him in person when he joins us for a meetup. Count down the days. So that's me signing off, lads. Nice one.